Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, okay, just pause for a moment. Tell me why. Okay, either way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to give you a jump start on the June-July Beem Box, okay? Love this box. We're going to talk about this one and another one coming up in a future video. But for those of you who are not familiar with the Beem Box, I'm going to list all the information down below as well as a coupon code. So if you decide that you would like to try it out for yourself, you'll be able to save some money on your first box, okay? Now, let's start off with, this is a box that is curated for women with melanin in their skin, okay? Everything inside of this box goes well with our melanin, okay? This is also created by a woman of color, okay? So let's jump in and see what's inside this box. Now it does say, as I open it, Beam from within, okay? And when we open it up, of course, it's packaged very nicely. It's got tissue paper and, you know, a description card on the top, and everything is wrapped very well, okay? So, ooh, alrighty, and it says your Beem Box has arrived. Okay, and it says, I'm ready for my close-up. Now, on the back, description of each of the items that are included, as well as a rubrics that lets us know that the items are cruelty-free, vegan, and also from a woman-owned business, okay? Now, it also has all of its social media information, you know, for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, okay? The very first item that I have is by the company Earth Harbor, okay? And I have Ahoy Love. This one is a variant item, so it could be this one or something else. However, this one is a nourishing cream cleanser that your skin will love the effects of a non-foaming cleanser that softens, renews, and brightens the skin. It targets dryness and the size of the pores and pH imbalance, all right? And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. Now, I will have you know that Earth Harbor is a cruelty-free vegan brand, and it is a woman-owned business. Now, let's see what it looks like here. Okay, this is what the inside packaging look like. I hope you can see that this is actually a pink color, okay? And let's see what kind of expiration date it has. Okay, we are definitely not going to open this package as of yet because the expiration date is only 6 months. Now, that says some good things, some bad things, which is it doesn't last as long once you open it. But the reason behind it not lasting is amazing. And that is because this is a clean item, meaning that there aren't a lot of preservatives and things like that. So you have to use it when you open it so it doesn't go bad. I'm loving that. And inside the box, it says dive into glowing skin. And it is a 2 fluid ounce size, and it's jam-packed with seaweed, vitamins, and hibiscus, okay? And that is item number 1. The next item that we have is a 2-piece kit. And this is what the kit looks like right here. And it is the Prep the Pout by the company Project Lip. It says giving you all the tools for the smoothest, plumpest pout. All right, y'all know. Fights dry lips all season round with the buff, bold, and whipped up lip scrub. Then Give your lips a smoothing over with the Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this kit, both pieces, is $22.58. Now, the Project Lip Scrub is 0.2 fluid ounces, and it says made in the UK. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and this too is a woman-owned company. All right, now it tells us how to use it, which is to scrub in a circular motion around your lips. It says you can even taste it if you want to, but then you rinse with warm water to revive and reveal the sugar soft plump lips. All right, now let's see, the expiration date is 12 months. All right, let's see what this packaging looks like. Okay, it says Project Lip Scrub. All right, here we go. And then of course you have the mask, which is a one use, so you only open it when you're ready to use it. So of course there's not going to be an expiration date on it, but it says gently remove film from both sides of the gel mask and apply to dry and chapped lips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes while it does its thing. Remove and pat lips to absorb excess serum. Okay, nice. It is a hydrogel lip mask, and it will leave you with smooth, plump, and a kissable palate. Alrighty, now those make up item number 2. Then moving right along, the next item that we have is by the company Cara Beauty. Look at that packaging. And this is a variant item, and it's the Botanicals collection with shades made for your everyday sleigh. And I have the Daydreamer palette. And this one is olive tones for the free spirit babes. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $12, okay? And this company is also cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned business. I know you really want to see what the shades look like. Well, let me show you this part right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and pop it open and see these shades. I believe it says the expiration date on this one is 18 months, and it is 0.22 ounces. It does have a mirror, and these are gorgeous. I've been waiting on, I apologize for the noise in the background. My grandchildren are here. And here are the shades. Beautiful. I've been waiting on a green palette. This is beautiful. So of course, I'm going to swatch. It has some mattes, some shimmers. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I like this. All right, here's 3 of the shades that we're going to swatch. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. All right, I have to tell you, now the only thing, I see this one looks just a little chalky, but we're gonna see how it actually performs, okay? The next item we have is by Felicia Artistry, and it's the Zarin eyeshadow palette, okay? This packaging is gorgeous too. And this is silky smooth texture with intense pigments that glide easily, leaving skin looking sun-kissed and radiant. Using a fan brush, apply the bronzer. Oh, it says it's an eyeshadow palette, but of course on here it says it's the Gold Crush bronzer palette, okay? And it says using a fan brush, apply the bronzer to the cheekbones, brow bone, and bridge of the nose and cupid's bow for emphasis. Blend to a seamless finish. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $16. This one as well is cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned company. Yes. I like this iridescent packaging. It goes from a gold to a green look. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay, look at these bronzers. How about that? Okay. Let's just, well, how do we want to do this? Let me take a bronzing brush out. I'm going to tap into this one right here. Okay. How's that? Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, okay. Yes. All right. And that one is item number 4. We have one more, okay? And this one is by Chella Beauty. And this one is the Chella Eyebrow Pencil. And it says, this eyebrow pencil keeps your strokes consistently precise without the need of a sharpener. The long-wearing and smooth consistency glides into place with the slightest of hand and can be lightly blended for a truly natural-looking finish, okay? This one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. And this one is cruelty-free and vegan as well. Okay, I'm not ready to open this pencil just yet because I have quite a few, but I have it in the shade Deep Brown. Okay, and let's see. Delightful deep brown eyebrow. It says a delightful deep brown eyebrow pencil. And this one is a 0.003 ounce size, and it has a 24-month shelf life. Okay, now I just tried something new today when I did these brows, which I've never tried before, but we'll talk about that one in another video. Okay, so, and it does have directions, but from what I'm reading here, it does give you the same as when you use other brow pencils, okay? 24-month shelf life, cruelty-free, vegan, and it's a plant product. Nice, very, very nice. See, I love getting the Beem Box, okay? Because she just introduces us to new products, revamped products, but things that look amazing on our skin tones. Okay, so I hope I've shown you something today that you may not have known about before, okay? These are the items that are included in our June-July Beem Box. Down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the items that are included, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed this beautiful, amazingly packed Beem Box, okay? Now, I want to ask you to share this with someone else, okay? And I'm asking you that because Beem Box is new to the market, but it is beautiful and it is up and coming, and we want to keep it coming up, all right? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.